making toast. So I've got my toaster here. I've got some lovely bread. I'm going to get that in. Now my toaster takes 4 slices, so I'm a very lucky boy. In they go. Wonderful. And then on the front here we've got this dial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you put it on 6, it's going to be, you know, fairly brown. 3, bit lighter. So I want to sort of go in the middle. I'm going to go sort of about 4. That's fantastic. And then we just pop it on. Look. Where's a defrost? I don't know what defrost is. I've never used that. Reheat. No idea what that means. And then cancel. Okay, so you just wait now, and it will automatically come up, and it will be beautiful. Now the thing is I get a bit impatient, so I'm going to press cancel to have a look at it. It's not done, is it? Put it back down. Oh, it must be ready now, mustn't it? Bloody hell. Oh, not really, it's only got a bit of colour on it. Alright. Right, let's have a look now, shall we? It's still not quite right. I'll go and make myself a cup of tea. That'd be nice with me toast. Oh, for Christ's sake. Jesus Christ. So the moral of this story is, you see that timer thing there? Once you set it, leave it a bloody alone.